Darren Harlow with StrongDM, demonstrating our just-in-time dynamic group access for Entra ID. Specifically here, we're using Azure to demonstrate the dynamic group membership. So I've logged into Azure. If I go to virtual machines, you'll see that I have no access to anything at this point. I'm going to log out and go do a just-in-time request through Teams, get the access, and then we'll come back in and you'll see that that access is there for me. So we'll do a view prompts, access catalog, enter, click catalog, type in Azure for the search, Azure Entra Cosmic. I have to choose the privilege. We'll do read only for this one and hit continue. This is for demo purposes. And I'll submit the request. So close, and we will see that access has now been granted. And we'll go back and re-log in to the Azure portal. Take a couple of steps. Probably have to do my two-factor again. Now when I go to my virtual machines, you can now see I have the resources through the just-in-time connectivity. It's a fun little thing that we have now added as part of StrongDM/Delinea. Thank you for your time.